Wolanyo Wallace agudi crutch bakope the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana mekono quantum coordinate small dress can no pensu bi e Ghana agudi mu so 18% jaw Chandesma say 1xbet I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa and into trying before didn't before trying to kuma bi adinu kuma sa no manum catch the busuafo na for yere ma fa se for na no mukunu mu eno mpnafo nyina se na no da boys nyomo financial freedom 1xbet ene na aba omoden da se busua diska ukobi eja shempa se nyehwe a obetumi tabiri akonane na de keto akwaje kese 1xbet utwa bet afadwene kakra ton bet with money that you can afford to lose ke yere nyawo ya no eno ane edi twa bet anything sew na wa hye no so e de mame Jeffas Mr. Dutitashwi infections gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chewa ura herbal shops and other pharmaceutical shops in them on sabetimi aka Jeffas na no kwesi no pa behwa dance e wa so dem only Jeffas can save bo modern da on setimi can do bibi tia boa aprapro harawa no mo bo mo etia di nchina che eno so on setimi can be beboa Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pimo na se do ba ku tu ye wase no Sedimo gel and roll on bo modern da so on sabetia can be tia boa e ma niama etia akoyi e di ama Srewada fisa bere kono setimi kan se do bia akwa shaman me market enye na temanso sabetia ka bi ho obetia from 0208219129 se utobia ton anase utu na dia yo ho no obetia hwabo amaniama etia tutu ye dema we mu ene sponsors ne mu tuturu to ne twetwe twa na no pay omo ta chira boa me dia wo kensi mu sempa ensa ka 18 jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yen chase M5 the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana omo crying be say 2 days ago some the money 8 sanchim el Madagascar we African Cup of Nations qualifiers Ghana yedi ho twen san kwaji mu 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren obi en ho tien pusu nyon kwantina e was akensikasi a etimi esa to dwenim na yemmoni akoma enhwe ekwankwa Ghana ye hwe nim se kwa bia so be nante so deche na afin so kwa 2023 African Cup of Nations Cote d'Ivoire for be host no ye betimi akobi 90 minutes of soccer fiesta kwa 0-0 or Sakensi ni akoba say September bosume say Ghana team dia Akensi baku 20 certain times so Sakensi no must win Edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana nyesa dia na African Cup of Nations 2023 qualifiers egusu bono ebia Cote d'Ivoire ni ntimi amfe ni 20 century say Sakensi dia ko check point ejumdia and also 18 pm honimu Yemfi on fa ni enchire mu ewo MTN FA Cup afi Kumase Kemfasa 4 ana omutimi cruise ye kopie mu ewo finals no Omni Dreams Football Club 90 minutes of soccer fiesta hwese na Messi koso na ese Dreams 2023 womo ana peja franka na gina kunkun ewo eya kensikesi etime sa to dwanum na yemoni akoma hwese na kensi esi koso Ghana Football Association President Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku na ojumedina se ne nkoma also Edijae Eni.
I'm a very happy man because it's been a very good season. We had an amazing climax to the Premier League, and today we've seen good football from two teams, and eventually Dreams has been crowned the champion. It's been an amazing day.
What would you say about the organizers? You appointed a committee, you gave them the mandate, you gave them whatever they needed to organize this one, and here we are enjoying this amazing spectacle.
I think that they've done a yeoman's job from the chairman, Honorable Wilson Atta, and the rest of the team. It's been pure sacrifice, pure dedication, and pure passion. And I think that they've done a good job to the brand, they've done a good job to the product, and I'm a very, very proud man.
The Ghana Football Association President Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku and attending can on the Dreams Football Club and Society and attending can say ordinary como age say LNGP say Otrosa and Kratei. Young Kumu Kumasa can find for catcher Gordon Ablodi and so a coach on an Ekita team no or disappointed Emra a Koba said Dreams for a chomo or find anima and now Suma or Mentimi Angie.
You took the match very seriously, but unfortunately for us, at the end of 90 minutes, we lost by 2 goals in the field. We need to set our defeat and move on.
Where does this team go from here? Out from the Premier League, lost MTN FA Cup finals.
The FA Cup finals, we lost the FA Cup finals, but we are hoping that we get our maximum point from the protest so that we stay in the Premier League. This is what we are waiting for now.
Kumase Kemfasa Gordon Ablodi and attending council didn't come and so just say disappointed so many Peja Frank and Jana Kunkun now 2023 Dreams Football Club for an Ajikruano Eddie F. Romosem. We do see another was here CLP. I'm a more any fresh and so say 1xbet I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa. Hintasimo change so trying before didn't before trying to come here. We didn't come as a no money to myself boys and yabre this year wrestling nema AC course bet weekend man for 8 me trade year blasters and so many bet edin crofo but upper bet there a 1x bet pomodi anda say onsa betia kan na otwa bi je fast message do ta hwe infection se do on set me kan bi abo prapra wahrawa ene omre bo ho ama otimi di nchine che afi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel okwa ashama enye na anafod wani che tema nso a onsa ebitia kan bi wemu ene sponsors na emu akese omta achiri bo a emena no penso dia wo kensi mu sempa ensa kan etimi ejao nanki bu aketem edi eni ache United States of America ne Patrick Osajima the fireman himself atwen kona ka yahwe sene nema esi koso bata no homa no emu ye fichire kakra nyame adoma emepam ye setimi kana ebesa to anko twetwe no so na yahwe abo ama nyama etimi atoto yi within the Profi Wala Sagudi catch back open am of course evidence based presentation etimi ejao erade entene ma onyo kese ife be ne da soni na onfa onko be ne da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.